Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates.
Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're looking to grow your online presence or automate tasks, you're in the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to create your own Telegram bot without writing a single line of code, and yes, no coding skills needed at all. So if that sounds good, let's jump right in. Have you ever wanted to build a Telegram bot but felt overwhelmed because of coding? Don't worry, you're not alone. The good news is there's a simple way to do it. So, Telegram bots are powerful tools. You can use them to send automatic messages, share files or content, collect user responses, or even build simple systems for your business. And today I'll walk you through the easiest method step by step. So, first, open your Telegram app. So, this can be your phone or computer. Go to search bar and type BotFather, just like that, and then click on enter. Now, click on the official BotFather account and press start. So click on new bot at the top to create a new bot. Next, enter your name for your bot. So this can be anything you like. Then choose a username. So it must end with bot. For example, your name underscore bot. Now, once done, Telegram will generate an API token for your bot. So just make sure to copy and save this. You'll need it in the next step. Now, next, go back to the search bar and type menu builder bot. So click on it and press on start. Now in here, choose your preferred language. So English is fine for most users. After that, tap on manage bots. Click add menu bot. Then paste the API token you copied earlier. Then hit send. Now once your bot is connected, tap on your bot's username to open it. And now let's set up your bot interface. So click start, then go to admin. Scroll down and tap on message for start. This is the message users will see when they open your bot. So you can type something like, hello, welcome to my bot, something like that. Once done, click send, then save message. After that, exit the admin panel. Now let's make your bot interactive. So go to buttons editor, then click add button. Type a name for your button, for example, menu, then press send. Now to edit that button, tap on the button you just created, select post editor, and click add message. So here you can upload or forward content like PDFs, images, files, and links. So for example, you can send a PDF or any resource you want users to access. Once done, click stop editor. Now, if you want your bot to interact with users, you can add questions. So here's how. Go back to buttons editor. Now select your button. Then tap post editor and click on add question. So choose a question type, for example, single answer question. Then type your question like, what type of content are you looking for? Then save it. And now your bot can collect user responses. Now it's time to test everything. So click start on your bot and try pressing the buttons. So you'll see messages you added, you have questions you created, and content being delivered. So when users interact with your bot, you'll also receive notifications. You can even respond manually or send them files based on the request. Now, extra tip, you can create multiple buttons and organize them however you like, menus, etc. So this makes your bot more useful and professional. And that's it. You've just created your own Telegram bot without coding. Now it's your turn. Try it out and see what you can build. If you found this helpful, don't forget to leave a comment and share your experience. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe and comment down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Before we end this video, I'm extremely thrilled to show you TubeRankGeet AI, which is the most recent and most advanced version of TubeRankGeet. This version includes a lot of artificial intelligence all around the app. Automate your YouTube SEO with AI and community intelligence. Get unlimited organic YouTube traffic with rankings that stick forever. Grab the secret tool that has helped build thousands of high traffic YouTube channels. Get more views, subscribers, and build an audience for any channel you choose. Paid ads not needed. Backlinks not needed. SEO and language skills not needed. AI enhanced and AI powered optimization at every single step. Write and rewrite your titles, descriptions, etc. with AI. Discover keywords and hashtag alternatives using AI. One-click optimization with AI. The ultimate YouTube research tool for any niche and topic. Tested and approved by YouTube. Use community-driven intelligence and AI both to rank your videos. Optimize and rank videos for any language and region. Perfect for agencies and service providers. Claim your free organic YouTube traffic with the least possible work. No more juggling dozens of complicated and expensive tools. No more burying your head in books trying to figure it all out. No more watching your traffic, sales, and future prospects dry up. Helping thousands of YouTubers rank to the top every day. Before, TubeRankGeet 5 was available only for Windows, but now TubeRankGeet works natively on Mac OS. All features are now available on Mac. So what are you waiting for? Get TubeRankGeet now. Just go to tubeRankGeet.com.